Now let our glad voices
Mayo apong Iloilo.
to our respected Dr. Pantilio, Miss D, Miss Joy, and sa mga pinalangga namon yung mga teachers and representatives ng kada section sa batch naton nga 2001. Yay, we made it! Sa iba, naghahambal nga ang aton life nag-start at 40. And looking at our class 2001 today, I finally understand why. And at age 40, balaan natin nga is we're no longer students of our alma mater, but we are little legacies. So, congratulations, Gisa Tanan. And also, sa aton nga King Tristram and King Claire, congratulations. And also may nagahambal gid nga ang reunion hindi kuno matabo kay tungod nga malayo kita sa isa't isa pero balaan ko nga ara kita isa-isa sa lain-lain nga part o sang kalibutan but gin underestimate gid nila ang power ka batch 2001. Proud gid ko sa inyo and congratulations Liwat for this reunion and this is our 25-year yay silver awardees. And since 2025 last year we actually worked tirelessly for this day. Of course, it's not only I'm alone but with the other group and the representative. I see really the work of our section and I realize it's actually not what we have but how much we give back. So nakita ko gid ang unity and generosity sang tagsa kagisa. So sa subong, I stand here in Toronto, Canada, alongside with my husband Lambert, but my pride for our batch 2001 knows no borders. So to our amazing representatives of every section, thank you so much for keeping the energy and flame alive. You proved that when we move on as one, the impossible becomes our reality. So as the video goes live, let it be on the record that the class of 2001 of Iloilo National High School is united and that we are generous and we are just getting started. Enjoy this moment, my dear classmates, and you deserve every bit of this celebration. Padayon Batch 21, thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.